Hi, I'm going to show you how to set up the Deksera APS package on Parallel's platform. This is the login screen for Parallel's automation panel. Enter your username and password. Once you've logged in, you'll come to this home screen which shows you the APS sandbox. On the menu on the left-hand side, click on Service Director. This will expand into a submenu. From the submenu, click on Provisioning Manager, then click Application Manager, then click on Applications. This will pull up the search screen. Click on Import Package. Make sure that you have already downloaded the Deksera HRMS package on your machine at an earlier stage. This page is where you can be importing the APS package. Click the Choose File button and locate the package that you saved on your machine. Lastly, on this screen, make sure to check the box labeled Enabled. Then click Submit. Now you should be able to see the Deksera HRMS below the search screen. Click on the icon to open it up. On this screen, you'll see 5 tabs across the top. Go to the third tab, which is called Resource Type. Then click on Create. Under Resource Class, select the one that just says Application. Now we'll start to build the new resource type. For the name, you can choose whatever you want. For example, you could call it Deksera Account. You can also add a description so that you remember what it is about. Once you're done, click the Next button. Now we need to define the application configurations. So you'll need to fill in these fields. For the first 3 fields, you can use the login information that was provided to you. The table on the right-hand side shows what application ID corresponds with each Deksera application. So just enter the number that matches the application you are installing. When you're finished, you can click Next. On this next page, make sure the box called Show Application in Navigation Menu is checked. Then click Next. In the Attributes field, search for External Provisioning 2. When you find it, make sure the box is checked. Then you can click on Next. Here, for the name field, enter the name as Deksera Service Template. You can add a description if you like, then click the Next button. Now we need to search for the resource which we created earlier. In our example, we named this resource Deksera Account. Search for the name of your resource, then select it and click Next. On this next screen, look for the column heading named Unlimited. Make sure that each box is checked under this Unlimited column. Then you can go ahead and click Next to continue. We're almost done. You just need to click Finish on this screen, and now the service template has been successfully created. Make sure that the new Deksera service template is active. If it's not, then you can select it and activate it. Getting very near to the end here, this page shows you what the Deksera service template should look like. Now we just need to add a new service plan. To do this, look at the menu on the top right-hand side of your screen and select the billing icon. Now look at the left-hand menu and open up Product Director, then Plan Manager, and then Service Plan. This brings you to the screen where you can add a new service plan. Click the button called Add New Service Plan. You can name the service plan whatever you like. Then continue down, filling out the rest of the form. For the second field called Service Template, search for the template that you just created and then select it. Getting towards the bottom of the form, we arrive at the section called Billing Information. For the billing period type, you can select Monthly. For the billing period, just put the number 1. The charge for subscription should say before billing period. And the auto renewal should be on last statement day. Once these are finished, you can click Next. Now we are on the second step, which is the subscription periods. You can select subscription period as 1 month. Once the details for this section are completed, you can hit the Finish button. Click Finish. Our application plan, which we called Deksera HRMS, has now been created, and you're all set to go.